Cleanup of Texas chemical plant hamstrung by new fire, spill. Houston U. The efforts to clean up a Texas industrial plant that burned for several days this week were hamstrung Friday by a briefly reignited fire in a breach that led to chemicals spilling into the nearby Houston Ship Channel. The Texas Attorney General also filed a lawsuit against Intercontinental Terminals Company, which operates the petrochemical tank farm east of Houston. Attorney General, ITC. An ITC spokeswoman said the company would not comment on pending litigation. While the new fire was extinguished about an hour after it began Friday afternoon, the spillage of chemicals led the U.S. Coast Guard to close part of the Ship Channel, a critical commercial waterway that connects oil refineries between the Port of Houston and the Gulf of Mexico. Among the chemicals released into the air this week were benzene, which evaporates quickly and can cause drowsiness, dizziness, rapid heartbeat, and headaches, with worse symptoms at higher levels of exposure. Crews on Friday continued to drain an estimated 20,000 barrels of chemicals from a tank damaged in the fire that a foam layer but a dike wall partially breached shortly before 12:30 p.m., company spokesman Dale Samuelson said, leading to the spill of possibly hazardous chemicals. The Coast Guard eventually closed the Ship Channel in the nearby area to prevent the spread of what a spokesman said was a mix of chemicals, foam, and soot from the fire. Just before 4 p.m., another fire broke out, emitting more large plumes of black smoke. Samuelson, after the dike breach, the company asked neighboring industrial sites and the nearby San Jacinto, Texas State Historic Site to shelter in place. Authorities did not. Adam Adams of the Environmental Protection Agency said air tests by the EPA and the company had not shown any positive results for high levels of benzene. One positive test. The Harris County Fire Marshal's office said it continued to investigate the origin and cause of the fire with the help of federal authorities. This.
Raindrop, truck top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.